Apollo Saturn V from Metal Earth. So here's my model. I think it turned out pretty well. Up close. Got all these little staging devices. Clears out. It does have a lot of rounding. This tip is kind of crooked, so I could bend it, make it more straight. Base here. There you go. It does have a lot of rounding pieces. You just have to take your time, maybe get pliers. So I usually just, there we go. Let me see if I just bend it real slow, incremental. See? Just gotta do it really slow. Small pieces at a time, or small steps, baby steps. Just keep bending it, kind of like that. And I mean, this is slightly tougher because on the inside of this, it has like kind of metal cuts that makes it easier to bend. Like, you know, these things, those vertical lines, metal cuts that make it easier to bend. So, but you gotta get like a pair of tweezers, just slowly mold it or fold it, bend it, curve it like that. Or what I do sometimes at this lamp, you can also bend it like so. If you don't have any particular tools, you can also use wires like an HDMI cable, monitor cable. I build it while I use the computer watching like Netflix or anything. Use this and bend it. Use the tip of this, bend it like that. That's how I bend. Pretty decent, sorta. And then if it's like not completely a circle, you can bend the longer parts a little bit, kind of like so. And then you get a round piece like that. Now you just gotta take your time, real patient. But this is my Saturn V. Looks pretty straight. Ground view.